Guys, by now the foundation is strong. The back rows are in. Let me show you. But today, we move to the sides. Look at the back row. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Left, right, left again. This part takes time. The sides are the ones that frame the face. Even if they are even bulky, the wig loses its shape, you know? These sides. I walk slowly here. I hold up each braid. I measure spacing with my fingers. I loop the braid through the cap. Pull, tie. Let me show you here. So let's do like this. Bring it close. I just look like this. Let me first I loop. Pull and I close. Then I pause. I check the flow. I check the balance. You know? Facing me well. Let me get my rubber band. Where did I put it? Hey, it's here on my hand. Oh my god. Let's do this so that this doesn't distract us from watching. Let's do like this. Like this. Let's hold this together, guys. Last night, I finished trimming off I finished trimming these braids. So, I trimmed off the rubbish. Like, let me show you. I think this rubbish here. Let me close. Okay. These braids aren't just going in. They are building something. But when you are building something, you start with the foundation. The foundation matters, you know? We are building something wearable, something beautiful, you know? Oh. Let's look at this wig. How is it? These sides require more patience than people think. Most especially when you like that natural fall around the ears. Oh my god! Or maybe when you're shaping it for someone who doesn't always wear a wig. This is also when I sit back often, looking at both sides, making sure both sides are looking equal and they are looking natural, you know? Some days this process feels slow, but today I remind myself, left, right, I keep going. I keep going. That's not just about braiding, it's about life. That's not just about braiding, guys. It's about life. Progress isn't loud, it's patience. So that's day 3. This wig is shaping up and I'm not stopping now, guys. So welcome to day 3 of my wig series. Let's go. Before we go, kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you can notify whenever I post a new video, so that you can be the first person to watch my video and give me those thumbs up so that my video can be pushed to those people who need it most. Guys, let's go. Welcome to day 3. Yeah. So guys, we are done for today. This is where we've reached. Look at this. So we are done with this part, with this part, with this part. So wait for day 4 tomorrow for this part here. And guys, I'm going to trim this tonight to trim off this rubbish you see here. Let me bring it closer. That rubbish, I have to trim it tonight. So guys, see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah.